In the next lesson of our course, we're going to talk about money management. And Sam, if you don't mind coming in a little bit for a second. I just want everyone out there to realize that this is going to be by far the most important thing that we talk about. I can fill an auditorium with 5,000 people who can pick the exact spot to buy and sell a stock, and every single one of them is broke because they don't have the proper money management. So I can't stress how important money management is. What we're going to do is we're going to use, let's go to our retired Alex to begin to talk about money management. As a general rule, when we're trading stocks, we're going to use a 1% rule. Nobody, when you're trading on your own, ladies and gents, nobody is going to tell you when to stop trading. So you have to have the discipline to do this on your own. We can come back from a bad trade. It happens. We can come back from a bad day. That happens also. What we can't come back from is letting a small loss turn into a very large loss that take days and weeks and months to make back. So no matter what you do, once you've had 2 maximum loss trades in one day, you are done trading for the day. Turn your machine off. Tomorrow's another day. That's probably the easier concept for people to understand. What's harder than that is, when do I stop trading? When have I made enough money where I'm going to stop trading? So you have to have some kind of goal in your mind. So let's go back to Alex for a minute. And let's say Alex's goal is to make $100 in a day. So he's trading, and at 11 o'clock, he looks at his P&L and he sees he's up $140. That's a great day for Alex. I will never tell anybody to keep trading. Alex, you made your money. You want to go play golf, hang out with the grandchildren? Great, go do it. But what I tell my traders to do is don't stop trading. We don't want to stop trading because there may be days where we have 5, 6, 8 trades in a row. And we can turn that $200 into maybe $400 or $500. But here is the key to that. And this is where a lot of traders fall on their face. They get greedy. And greed is a big part of trading, and not in a good way. Let's say Alex is up his $150. Here's what we're going to tell Alex at this point. If he, at any point during the day, gives back 20% of that P&L, he must turn his machine off and be done for the day. That is going to be the difference between a successful trader and a trader who fails. Money management is the most important part of day trading. So once Alex has hit a goal of $250 or $300, even if he makes another trade, and he starts losing money in that trade, if at any point he gives back 20% of his P&L, he must stop trading for the day. He must. The biggest mistake that most people make, and it has nothing to do with technical analysis, it has nothing to do with picking the spots to buy and sell stocks, it is money management. If you don't have the proper money management skills, Sam, if you don't have the proper money management skills, there is no way you're going to succeed as a day trader. Let's move on to the next lesson.